Alright guys, so I'm in the studio right now wrapping everything up and getting ready to drive on my way to O'Hare to get on the plane. Now we're going to fly from O'Hare in Chicago to Miami, and then from Miami to, well, you guys are going to have to wait for me to show you that. Right now my office is a total train wreck right now, just making sure I have all my cords, chargers, drone batteries, etc. Everything. You can see I got all my stuff here sitting around. It's nuts. You want to make sure that you don't forget everything, because you can have all your devices and forget the cords and your stuff just won't work. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and hop in the Escalade and let's hop on our way to O'Hare. I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright, so I just got the Escalade packed up and I'm waiting on my two boys and my wife, and I was just thinking to myself, it's crazy. It's 1 o'clock in the morning, Sunday night, well actually technically it's Monday now. Normal people and average people are waiting, you know, they're sleeping in their bed right now, getting ready to get up at 8 o'clock or 7 o'clock in the morning and go punch their clock. But I'm getting ready to drive to Chicago to the airport and fly out of the country. It's just really humbling that, you know, I can operate my business from anywhere in the world. That's the beautiful thing about Amazon and just being an entrepreneur, is you can literally be location independent. You know, it's been able to allow me to travel around the world at a drop of a dime, a drop of a pin, and not worry about, am I going to get fired, or can I get somebody to cover me, or can I ask for a vacation day? Because guess what? While I'm traveling and having fun and seeing new countries, my business is still going to be operating. It's still going to be generating income 24/7, 365, even while I'm asleep, while I'm on the plane, while I'm at the beach, etc. So I'm super excited. Go ahead and sit back, get your seatbelt on, and I'll see you guys at the airport. Alright, so I just got off the plane. We just landed in Belize. We're waiting on the airplane to come get us right now, and then it's going to take us over to the island. Alright guys, so we just got on the small plane and we're getting ready to take a 15-minute ride over to the island. I can't wait to show how the island's going to look with you guys. We got some festivities, and we've got some different things that we're going to be doing on this island that's going to be dope. Some awesome festivities and some awesome things to do. Right now we're taking off. I'm going to show you guys what the view looks like. So right now we're kicking it at the hotel right here, oceanfront. Belize, you can see the ocean right here. Right on the ocean, first floor, private suite, right off the entrance of the pool. And I'll take you guys over here so you guys can see the ocean. But the bar's right here is real nice. Come over here and get a drink. And right now I'm waiting on our massage and our tour guide and everything. As you can see right here is the ocean. Listen, you know, when you're an entrepreneur and you're working sometimes 60, 70 hours, when you fall in love with the game, when you fall in love with the hustle, you don't pay attention to the amount of hours that you're working because you're focused on a goal. You're getting tunnel vision. And sometimes it's good to step outside your element. That way you can see, look from the outside looking in. Because when you're stuck in the same place all the time, it's hard for you to creatively think. And us entrepreneurs, we constantly want to develop new skill sets. We constantly want to progress. We constantly want to do better. We want our brands to do better. We want our businesses to do better. But we never stop to think about ourselves and taking care of ourselves. And I'll tell you what, stepping out of your element, treating yourself to a different environment for even one day, even a couple hours, can really help you get creative and help you come up with new ideas, which is going to help you and your business, not only your personal development, but help your business. So I challenge you, don't cheat yourself, treat yourself. When you guys are grinding hard, you know, it's real easy to go 6 months without taking a vacation, without taking a day off, because you're just so in love with the hustle and trying to move forward. So I challenge you guys, don't cheat yourself, treat yourself. Take a couple hours. If you can't take a vacation, take a couple hours, get a new scenario, get some new scenery, all right, and really look from the outside looking in and watch how that improves yourself, your level of thinking, and your business. A lot of my creative thinking, you know, 20% of my efforts account for 80% of my profits, excuse me. And when I'm traveling and when I'm actually relaxed, that's when I can do my creative thinking. When I'm on the outside looking in, I can say, okay, I need to make this adjustment, I need to do this, I need to do that, I need to change this strategy. And then when I get back home or I get back to the office, I do that. So keep that in mind, guys. You know, it's very easy to get caught up when you're an entrepreneur and you know, get caught up working 40, 50, 60 hours and not take advantage of looking on the outside in, you know, taking care of yourself. So I definitely want to challenge you guys. Listen, not only do you want to work hard, you want to take care of yourself, because at the end of the day, what are you doing this for? Give yourself small rewards. Give yourself small rewards. When you get an accomplishment, when you hit a milestone, when you level up, do something. I'm not saying you got to go out and buy something crazy or spend a bunch of money, but do something to reward yourself. This is going to help you advance. Alright guys, so we're at the private airport here in Belize. Right here you can see they're checking on the baggage right now. We're waiting on the personal plane. We're taking another private plane back to Belize City, and then from there we'll catch a flight to Miami and I'll connect in Chicago. So stay tuned. I'm gonna try to get footage of this bad boy taking off, and then you're gonna see us back in the air. I'm gonna have some insane shots for you guys. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we just got on board. Me and my homie chartered a small plane, little boy, baby jet here in Belize, San Pedro. So we're gonna be landing from San Pedro to the city of Belize, and then from there we're gonna take off on Miami. So this has been insane. I'm so excited for you guys to be with me. I hope that you guys are enjoying this new footage, and I'll see you guys when we touch down. But meanwhile, stay tuned for some amazing views from up in the air. We just landed. Safe flight. Safe flight. Man, it was amazing. I hope that you guys enjoy the view. Listen, you guys need to think outside the box. Start experiencing the beautiful things that life has to offer. I would have never been able to do this stuck in the rat race in a 9-to-5 life. This is the freedom that having an online business will give you, being able to be financially free and location independent.